So it's currently only 83 degrees, and I say only because today we have a heat advisory with highs from 95 to 100, somewhere in there. A heat advisory because of the humidity. Thankfully it's windy, and thankfully this is a fast motorcycle. So we should stay nice and cool as long as we're moving. Really need a new mount. That one's starting to fall apart, and I'm gonna lose my GoPro, and then we're gonna have a problem. It also has something on the lens. Is that a scratch? I really hope that's not a scratch. Today's Flag Day. Thank you. We'll see how many bikes are out today at the temperature is this warm. Usually when it's going to be this warm, there's not a lot of bikes. This is Iowa. If it's anywhere between about 70 and 80, you'll see a ton of bikes out. Or obviously the weekend. Hey, there's one! The weekend or nighttime, like after they get home from work. But right now, not a lot. And especially not going to be a lot this afternoon and evening. Come on. Come on. Aww. Are you going or what are you doing? Let's go. Oh my goodness. Look at that! Look at that! I don't see that every day. That's a company vehicle. Okay, well it's only 83 right now. It's gonna get worse. Where's Mark's motorcycle? Mark. I don't even see him. Where is he? I don't know, but that means I get the fun spot.
Oh. Alright, well it's 94 degrees with a real feel of 101. This needs to go away. You may not be out here. You don't look cool. You go hiding in there.
It definitely does not get cooler once you get moving. That's when you know it's over 90. You get no relief. I really wish my ride was longer. It seems so short. So I was looking at some lights today. Basically, I realized that these grips only actually go to here. This is an add-on, and I remember someone telling me it's an anti-vibration. I don't know how that works. It must be some kind of weight in there that acts as like, not a gyroscope, but something anti-vibration like that. Anyways, I can take those off and put a light there that faces both forward and backward, which I really need lights from behind to see that I'm turning. They're $115 a piece. That's kind of a lot for an LED light, but it is pretty good quality. It's a ring light that goes all the way around. The light's very bright forward and back, and then it kind of reflects around it. Which I would wire them like the rest of my lights. They're wired to be on all the time and blink when I'm turning, so.
First of all, I hope you're enjoying my cleaner garage. You know, summertime, spring cleaning. Yeah, I forgot to put the garbage on the curb. So, hopefully there's no maggots by Friday. Or I'll be in trouble. Okay, well today's a little cooler than yesterday. Oh, I feel a nice little breeze. 77 with a high of 85. Hopefully I don't run out of storage or battery in either camera.
Because I didn't get them emptied or plugged in. I don't know why. Because I was editing. Too much editing and I forgot. I was going to go a different way today. But I can't. I got the internet is down at work and that's my job. So I'm on my way. Oh, it feels so much nicer right now than it did yesterday. It was definitely windy and lightning like crazy last night. That's why the internet's down. Just hitting every red light. YOLO! That's like my life saying. I mean, I know it's old. It's an old saying. That Denali right there, it's its license plate. I think it's using some number signs for some of them, but a YOLO is like every time my wife asks something like, should we get another rabbit? Or should we do this? Or should we do that? I'm like, YOLO? Should we let our kid go and do that thing? YOLO. If you don't know what that means, it's you only live once. Right? So might as well go for it. I was hoping to get it. Oh yeah, there we go. Get his plate. YOLO. So the O is an O. Does the first O? The O is a yo. It's a O is a yo. Oh my goodness. The first O is an O. The second O was a 0. YOLO. This is kind of a normal morning occurrence. Other tractor sprayer going out. Oh. I was wondering what that was. Looks like a tree down from last night. Marky Mark, where are you at, bro? You're gone again. Curtis. Oh, he's parked over there like it's gonna get rain or something. Mark. It's because it rained this morning when he was here. That's how long he's been here. They're taking your spot, bro. Yeah, he gets here at 7 and it was still storming. He's out there cleaning up the damage from last night. Well, he's gonna clean that up. I'm gonna go clean the internet up. See if I can get it running.
See if I can get it just with a quick modem reboot. That's not good. Oh, this is all off. So I thought I had a battery backup in here. Yeah, right here. Why don't they come back on automatically when the power comes back on? There's got to be an easier way to do that. It ran for 68 minutes. Okay, let's go check some of our other ones.
Is everything going wrong?
Internet.
The elevator's also not working.
Oh, really?
It goes up and down, but the door's not open.
Oops. I heard you broke it.
I'm guessing lightning.
Yeah, I have tons of stuff that is not on. I wonder if that's part of the problem. They can't connect to the internet. They should be coming back up. Yep. The internet's back. So is all this off in here? Nope, that's on. That one's on. Looks like the internet is working. Woohoo!
Where's your camera?
Beep, beep, beep. Hopefully it doesn't rain.
I don't think it's
I keep getting notifications, but the radar says it's up by Marshalltown.
It's supposed to go north or south.
See it like
Yeah,
over
so
here.
that's all supposed to stay north, and then there's another one that'll come in later tonight.
Yeah. Should probably wash my bike someday.
Let's get a ride with Mark. He comes early, so he goes home at 4. And I'm leaving at 4. Why is he going this way? He goes home early because he comes in early, and I'm going home early because I'm coming back later. We just both happen to be leaving at the same time. Oh, that's beautiful. It's a police officer. Police officer.
That's the sound of the police.
Good day to slow her down, bro. I was really gonna get on her down through there too, and I was like, you know, sometimes police officers, whoa! Sometimes police officers sit right there. That's pretty cool. It looks like fun, doesn't it? Perceived to people to be going slower by not having my engine revved, pulling in my clutch, being quiet, keeping the RPMs at a steady level. People don't think I'm going fast. Somebody mowed the lawn today and parked right in front of where I need to go. So but I can still get in there. There is something cool about shutting off the throttle as it's revved up. I don't know what that does. Is that like leaf fuel in the engine? It smells like garbage in here because there's garbage in here.
Excuse me? Excuse me?
Yeah.
Excuse me?
What's up?
You blocked me?
I did.
You parked in the way.
I did. I forgot.
It's okay, I still got around you.
Oh my.
I still know how to navigate around you.
How'd you even fit? I'm pulled pretty close to the garage, aren't I?
Oh, I know how to navigate.